Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Today we're looking very quickly at the problem of your sizing handles missing in Adobe Photoshop. This morning I came to my computer, and when I choose the Move tool, as I have here, and select on an image, I had lost my sizing handles. Now I have just recently updated my version of Photoshop, so that's probably caused my problem. Now a lot of people will tell you to reset your preferences as this happens. Don't do that. You're going to lose a lot if you reset your preferences. For example, I have hundreds and hundreds of patterns here in my pattern collection. If I go and reset my preferences, I'm going to lose those. This is the problem. When you have the Move tool selected, look up here on your tool options bar. If you don't see that, go to Window and make sure that Options is selected, because you need to see this bar. And click here on Show Transform Controls. What that does is it brings your transform controls back, so you can now scale your images, you can move them, you can do whatever it is that you used to be able to do before your transform controls disappeared. So it's as simple as clicking this checkbox on the options bar, and please don't reset your preferences if this is your only issue. If you like carefully researched content like this, clearly presented in a step-by-step format so that you can get great results, then you'll love my Skillshare content. I'm a Skillshare top teacher. I have hundreds of short courses on Skillshare that you can access, along with thousands of other great courses, all for the price of a single subscription. If you're interested, there's a Skillshare coupon for you in the description below to use to sign up. Using this coupon benefits me as a creator, and it helps me continue to make free content available here for you, also on YouTube. Thank you for joining me for this video tutorial. On the screen now, you'll see a video that I've handpicked for you. If you enjoyed the video you've just watched, I know that you're going to really enjoy the one I've picked for you to watch next.